I used to copy ingredients one by one from a recipe into my shopping list in Reminders, but then I learnt this new trick. So let me show you a much quicker way of turning a delicious recipe in Safari into a quick shopping list in the Reminders app. And if you enjoy simple iPhone tips like this, feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. Now, in the past, I would have been switching backwards and forwards between Safari and Reminders, copying and pasting one ingredient at a time. But actually, if we go into Safari, press the Options button on that recipe and then press Share, we can share the recipe directly into Reminders. And then your iPhone is going to use Apple Intelligence to analyze the recipe and, just like that, it's going to extract the ingredients for you. You can then tap and select the ones you want to add, or you can add them all in one go. And then your shopping list and Reminders will automatically categorize those reminders for you into categories like groceries, dairies, and fresh produce. It's so much quicker than copying it line by line, and it gives you more time for cooking. And also for subscribing. If that saves you some time, press subscribe down below for more quick tips, and maybe try this video next.